Okay. Um. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait until people start catching up. Yeah, that was unfortunate. So yeah, what happened? My laptop overheated, and it just completely shut itself off. And like, it wasn't even that hot. Like, I touched the thing, and like, it was okay. Like, it just. Oh my god, this thing. Okay. Okay, so just waiting for everyone to get in. Yeah, that was unfortunate. The thing just shut itself off. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, well, let me get back to the desktop. So I was gonna show some progress to Project Memphis. So this is my Windows 10 to 98 mod. So yeah, I did make some modifications. So I'm gonna turn this thing on. So there is, uh, yeah, this is the old log on screen. Yeah, like this is actually not exactly the Windows 9X log on screen. This is actually from NT4 because I have to modify that. But that's something I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that in the future. Okay, so after Memphis, you think you can make an ME transformation for 10? Mm, maybe. Like, the thing is that Windows ME looks rather similar to Windows 2000, and there's already a mod that makes Windows 10 look like 2000. That's Prague 2000. Like, I don't know, cause like it looks rather similar. Like, I'm not really sure if there's like actually a point of doing that, but I don't know. I could eventually. I'm just gonna turn down the volume. Like, the volume looks. There we go. Sounds quite loud. So yeah, as you saw, the old logon screen that's gonna be changed again. That's from NT4, but that's gonna be modified to resemble Windows 9 X a bit more. And also here's the right click animation. So here's also another difference compared to the initial release, because as you know, in Windows 9X, this animation plays. It's not like the fading animation like in Windows 2000. This is what it plays on Windows 9X. Now there's a bug, so yeah, whenever you hover over something, yeah, it there's a like a white box, but you know that's a compromise. At least I get the animation to play. But yeah, because as it turns out, like this thing, this is a control panel thing. Um, it does have the option to change the animation. So here it is, animations, and yeah, menu opening slide and tooltip slide, just like Windows 9X. That was actually pretty easy. Also, you can also change the desktop icon spacing thing. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so there's also that. That's actually pretty easy fits. So yeah. For the best experience, use try Memphis with an old CRT monitor. Yeah, actually that's why I'm using such a low resolution, because I just prefer using this mod with this resolution. It looks a lot more like 90s. Like it looks more 90s with this. Yeah. So yeah, there's that. Now, regarding the theme situation, the theme switching bug, I don't really know why that happens. Like, because let me show you this. Let me try to reproduce this. So let me open this up. So yeah, whenever I switch over to another color scheme, let me switch this. It kind of changes, but then it just freezes. Like, yeah, and then just freezes like this. It does nothing else. And yeah, like I don't really know why that happens. Like, that's not supposed to happen, I know, but yeah, that's weird. I might have to redo this from scratch, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna close this. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna shut this thing down. And yeah, this is actually pretty accurate to Windows 9 ads as well. Like, it shows nothing but the wallpaper. That's actually pretty accurate. There we go. Um, so, yeah. Now, here's also another thing I've been working on. This is yeah, this is gonna be a sneak peek of my upcoming update. Yeah, the famous 10.22/7 update 4. So yeah, like I just got some motivation to work on this. Like I saw Reunion 7 and I was like, yeah, that looks cool. Like I don't know, I just want to do this myself, you know. It's not like I'm competing with Reunion 7 or anything, but I just wanted to do my own transformation, you know. No, still using the Windows 7 log on screen. Now here's the thing, yeah. This uses EAT7, but EAT7 is not going to be included with this mod because like we're literally not allowed to use this and customize those. However, I did include some scripts and I did configure this in a way that you could just um, like install EAT7 and just run a script and that's it. Yeah. Yeah, this is the Windows 7 basic setup. Let me switch over to the first. Let me take a look at the how it looks with Explorer 7, cause yeah, this looks pretty cool. Yeah, this like honestly, wouldn't I wouldn't really tell if this was Windows 10. Like it looks pretty darn close to Windows 7. As you can see, there's now the library headers thing. There's the favorites thing as well. Yeah. Let me open up the system properties. yeah, this is it. And also there's the change your product key. Yeah, this is this thing. And yeah, like yeah, it feels like a real Windows 7. Yeah, true. Yeah, here's some other applets as well. Yeah, and with this I actually modify it quite a bit. So this this should say, so I remember the CPL included with the with Brawlot's CPL transformation CPL pack. Sorry, this says something, and here it says null. Like it obviously looks kind of off. So I did modify that to resemble 7 a bit more. And with Windows Firewall, I also did modify this. So this should look a lot more like 7's. Because with Windows 10, this should say Windows Defender Firewall. This just says Windows Firewall. And oh yeah, here's the personalization. Yeah, so this is the personalization applet, and I did include like every regional theme from Windows 7 in here. Like yeah, here's Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, and so on and so forth. And yeah, there's Windows Basic, there's Windows Aero, and there's Windows Classic. Let me actually run the script. First, let me actually do this. So you have to do something here. Let me first switch over to this. And I just shut up. And you open this up, and you switch this to Windows Classic or Windows Standard. I'm gonna go with Windows Standard. There we go. And then I'm gonna run a script here. So here's the ET7 folder, and SIB stands for Start is Back. Yeah, Start is Back is gonna be the one that's gonna be used by default again. Like we're not allowed to use Explorer 7 on transformation packs or ISOs, so that's not gonna be included. But I'm gonna include this just for an easier setup. So I'm gonna go with Classic. I'm gonna run this as an administrator. There we go. And then I'm gonna just log off and log back in, and I should be with the Classic theme now. Would it be possible to get the Windows 8 logon screen on Windows 10? Well, you can do this on the early versions of Windows 10 on 1507, but not in the recent versions of Windows 10, as far as I'm aware of. Maybe one day some people are gonna find a way to get over that limitation, but as of now, there's no way to bring back the Windows 8 logon screen on Windows 10. I'm talking about the newer versions of Windows 10. You can do this in 1507, but not here in the later versions. Honestly, I haven't tried Windows Experience yet, but from what I understand, the logon screen is still isn't accurate to the one on XP. Yeah, so yeah, because there is now this console logon hook fork. I don't remember exactly the name of that. Let me look that up. Let me look that up. Let's see. Oh, here it is. So, yeah, here it is. Yeah, I'm talking about this fork. Yeah, it allows you to use the NT4 logon screen, the Windows 2000 logon screen, and the Windows XP logon screen. Perhaps the mod came before this, so maybe it wasn't updated to use this. But yeah. You can use XPCLS too. Yeah, like I know that exists. I actually used that for my Windows 11 to XP transformation tutorial, but from what I've seen, like there's a lot of people who complain about how problematic classic logon shell is, like not detecting passwords and everything. Yeah, so like from a practical perspective, yeah, it's not all that great. Like from an aesthetic side of things, like yeah, it's cool, but like practically speaking, yeah, it's quite problematic. So yeah, you're better off with the stock Windows 10 logon screen or with CLH Gino. Isn't XPCLS2 really buggy? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, Mr. Amayoskin, I've been watching your channel ever since your first video. Oh, really? You're talking about that cringy Roblox Arsenal video. Yeah, that video, yeah, not that great. My first ever video playing Roblox Arsenal. Okay, let me now switch over to Arrow. Here it is, he had 7. Oh, let me switch over to... Okay, let me open this up. Arrow, here it is. Then, yeah, let me then run this script, so... arrow.cmd. There we go. And also, I believe I also have to enable some tasks from Task Scheduler. Yeah. Yeah, this process is a bit similar from my other mods. But yeah, then I just log off. What about Windows 10, but it is Windows Server 2003? That's actually interesting. I might actually take a look at that. You know, there's Windows Experience, but there's no Windows 10 to Server 2003 ISO, so I might try that. I might go with the Mexico thing. There we go. Is this thing even running? Like... or Windows 10 to Whistler ISO. I actually think there's a Windows 10 to Whistler ISO already. I believe it's made by... Whoa, it's not running. Okay. Now it's running. Yeah, that well, Windows 10 to Whistler ISO. I believe there's one already made by Tech 4096, I believe. What about Windows 10 to pre-reset Longhorn? Could be. Yeah, there's a Windows 10 to pre-reset Longhorn theme called Demoplex. I actually remember trying that before, so perhaps I could try that out. Oh yeah, here's something else with this. So yeah, this now uses the Windows 7 Windows Media Player program. So there's now this pink button here. And yeah, the about dialog also reports it as build 7601, just like Windows 7. Let me open up something else. So there's also yeah, tablet PC journal panel. Wait, what am I talking about? Tablet PC input panel. Now, for some reason, it doesn't actually like run like just like that. You actually have to run something like regedit for it to open. Wait, oh yeah, here it is. So yeah, that's weird. Like I don't know why it does that, but that's just how it works, I guess. This shows nothing. Like that's actually no issue. Okay, so yeah, let me add to that. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that for now. I don't wanna spoil things too much. Okay. Finally, someone added the input panel. How do you add it? So there's someone from the Win Classic forum called Petya, who who discovered a way to bring that back. Let me actually show you the thread real quick. Yeah, so here it is. Here's the Win Classic thread. And yeah, this is where I got the files from, as you can guys see. Yeah, it works on 8.1, 10. The keyboard thing works on Windows 8.1, but it doesn't work on Windows 10, despite the Windows 7 OSK program working just fine on Windows 10, which is weird. Oh yeah, there's also this toolbar as well. I forgot to talk about that. That's also present in the update. Oh, I forgot about something else. The boot screen. So yeah, so this also is gonna come with Boot 8 Plus, which is a Windows 7 boot screen recreation for Windows 10, made by Tech Stuff. I believe that's also present in Reunion 7. Obviously, you're gonna have to set this up manually. Like the files are gonna be there present, but you're gonna have to set this up manually. And I'm saying this because I remember once trying to change the boot screen with Beta 09, my Windows 10 to 7 Build 7000 mod, and I had to redo the whole thing again because after deploying the image, Windows just wouldn't boot at all. So yeah, like I won't like include the boot screen already pre-configured. You're gonna have to configure it yourself manually. I wish I would downgraded Windows 11 to 10. Then I would have great themes. Like, what did would it there be like a problem if you downgrade your Windows 11 computer to Windows 10? Because like they're basically the same OS underneath. I don't know, but I don't think it should be that hard. But I don't know. So yeah, and yeah, this is what I wanted to say. You know, this was not gonna be like it's an extensive live stream. This was gonna be like some yeah, this was gonna be a short live stream because I just wanted to like experiment with this live stream thing. I'm gonna find my way to improve the OBS overlays as well. Like I just made these scenes and overlays like quickly, you know. Uh, so yeah, so thank you guys for checking the stream out. You know, really appreciate that. Honestly, like I might keep doing more live streams. Maybe in, trying out other Windows mods from other members of this Windows modding community. I might try out Windows Experience or I don't know Prog 2000. I don't know. You could suggest some Windows mods that I could try out. So I've got a spare laptop lying around, so you know you could try suggesting Windows mods, and I'll try them out on that machine on a live stream. So yeah. So yeah, that was it. You know, just a little live stream. Hope you guys I hope you guys have a nice day or night. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.